Hey there! I'm reviewing the Achiou Winter Gloves for men and women, an excellent choice for anyone needing reliable warmth and functionality during the cold months. The upgraded thick thermal knit lining is incredibly soft and provides great insulation while still being lightweight and comfortable to wear. The touchscreen compatibility is a standout feature, making it easy to use my phone without removing the gloves. The touch sensitivity is precise and works perfectly for texting, scrolling, or using apps in cold weather. The anti-slip silicone gel on the palm is a thoughtful addition, providing a secure grip for holding items like phones, keys, or even steering wheels. This feature makes these gloves practical for outdoor activities, commuting, or driving in the winter. The unisex design is stylish and fits well thanks to the stretchy material. They stay snug on your hands without feeling too tight, making them suitable for both men and women. Overall, these gloves offer a perfect mix of warmth, durability, and functionality. Highly recommend them for anyone looking to stay warm and connected.